Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will discuss the world of volleyball, specifically the dimensions of a volleyball court where this exciting sport occurs. Let's get started. The length of the volleyball court is 18 meters and its width is 9 meters. On the volleyball court, the various sections are separated by lines that are 5 centimeters thick. These lines are usually white to ensure they are easily recognizable by the players. According to the specified dimensions, the volleyball court's area is calculated to be 152 square meters, while the perimeter is determined to be 54 meters. The volleyball court is divided into two halves by a line known as the center line. Each half is further divided into two sections. The first section, which is 3 meters wide, is separated by a line called the attack line. The second section is 6 meters wide. There are 6 zones on the volleyball court. Outside the main court, there is a designated free zone measuring 24 meters in length and 15 meters in width. The volleyball net consists of a square grid where each square measures 10 centimeters. Its overall length is 10 meters and its width is 1 meter. The net's height above the ground is 243 centimeters for men's games and 224 centimeters for women's games. Additionally, 2 rods, known as antennas, are positioned on the net. Each antenna is 180 centimeters tall. Now you know the volleyball court dimensions. If you found this helpful, follow our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.